In high school, they flunked me. They said I would never be a typist, but I fooled them.
Ask all you like. I can't guarantee an answer.
No, I had a computer in here, but I was spending too much time playing solitaire, and I wasn't getting my work done.
Edit that.
Well, I said I'm an antique myself. I'm an antique, but that's why he's taken.
Oh. You can safely delete that portion.
I think eventually, for practical use, the typewriter will be obsolete entirely, except for the beauty of an old antique typewriter.